Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dipen from Pune. So this is the 10th part of Dominar Xplorer series videos that I was uploading on my channel since last 2 months. In this video, I'll be covering a video view shot from my helmet or rider's point of view, how the Explorer looks from rider's point of view. I basically shot the clips for that reason, and they have been shot from my small camera that I have. It's the Insta 360 Go. I don't have a professional camera like GoPro or something to mount on my helmet and get clear shots or soundproof shots. So please excuse me for the sound disturbances, wind disturbances that you see in the video. This was, as I said earlier, this was purely made, I was planning to make a very small clip of it, but I ended up making a small vlog of how the rider's viewpoint is from on the Explorer, from the rider's view, from the helmet point of view. So I mounted this GoPro, this Insta 360 in my helmet over here, if you can see. You get this attachment with it. This is the basic camera, and this is the attachment that you get. So I mounted this one around here. Okay, it was mounted like this, and while I'm riding, so this is the position that it gets the shots from. So it was somewhere around here, and this is how I got the shots. But you cannot attach any external mic to this. It's got its own inbuilt mic out here. Okay, you cannot attach any external mics to it. So this is the reason there was wind blast sound or wind sound, wind turbulence to it and all. So not wasting much time, let's proceed to the video and do have a look at that. I'm passing through I had taken the ferry from Goga to the Hedge that cuts off around 330 kilometers. So this story is a bit, I made up the vlog around that, try to capture some clips from that. So do subscribe to my channel if you're watching this for the first time, and do hit the bell icon to get all updates, and I hope you enjoy the video.
No chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one.
Goga ferry, Goga, the Hedge, Ro Ferry Terminal is on the sides of Goga. This is approximately 50-55 kilometers from Palitana. So every time I take a halt over here, walk around of how the Explorer looks in this awesome place. More and more cars coming in. So the ferry was shut down for low tides, and it has started again today. Today is the first day. So I'm lucky enough to get the Explorer boarded on the ferry. It's a huge ship. I guess I can show you from this place. Let me see if it is visible. It's somewhere there. No, I can't see it from here. While I'm on this route, I'll be able to show you how it is. I'm going to try and record everything on this one. Yeah, there's the ferry. I'm not sure how clear is it, how far is it from here, if you can see it. But that's the ferry. It can take all of these trucks, around 10-12 trucks easily, along with such big long buses, trailers. Some of the trucks are still coming. And all of these cars will also go inside. It's a huge ferry. There are 3 floors in it. The lowermost floor, close to the sea level, will be holding these trucks, and post that, on the level up, one level up, there'll be these bikes. These cars along with these bikes at some corner. Sometimes they put the bikes along with the trucks because they occupy less space. And the topmost floor will have, the second last floor will have humans sitting around that. It's the sitting area for us members or people who are
Can't go back to walking through all the dust and reason for
bike is parked there. Very difficult to see here. There is it in the corner, and this, and how big is this ship is here. The cars are boarding from here, going up there. So the cars can come on the first deck too. The lower deck was parking. This is the first deck. I don't know what correct decks we call it. That's the entrance where I came in from. That's the bridge, and I was waiting somewhere out there. Really very good experience. I'm gonna get my car out here one day. Heading to the front side of the ship. Let's see what I can explore outside. I don't think so we have much access. Yeah, if you're planning to come with your girlfriend or wife, you surely can give a Titanic pose out here. It's awesome in the front now.
Constantly, no, I won't make a sound. I love the pain, it sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, said myself that this is the last. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in arms, but you couldn't be a child.